Mom, Dad, I'm taking my bike. I'm running out, far from home to deliver my bones. They say it's too dangerous, that I'm too damn curious. But hey, we got along, holding on the sun as it falls. We got crushed on the floor. We are running at the door, catch the wind as it goes. Won't stop moving till there's blood on our toes. Dance, freak out, little man, you got a chance. You're gonna be breathless, reckless, and free for the best. Live out.